Hello, good morning to everyone. Dear students, yesterday we have finished already second chapter, our fraction and decimal. Today we are going to start an important chapter, integers. About integers, we have already learned in 6th class also. So before start our chapter, you should know first some basics of integers. Okay? So what is a natural number? Natural number we have already learned there in 4th and 5th class in smaller classes. So what is natural number? So natural numbers are all the counting numbers are called the natural number. So a number which we can count. Okay, all the counting numbers are natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 lakh, 2 crore, like all the natural number. After natural number, next is whole number, dear. What is whole number? What is whole number? Whole number mean, dear, if we add 0 in natural number, then we get a whole number. Otherwise, you can say that the collection of natural number and 0 are whole number. Are whole number. Only we will add 0 in natural number, then it is whole number. Understand? So if I ask you which one have more number, whole number, which one have more number, natural or whole? So you will say, sir, whole numbers are more than natural number. And how many? Only one, 0. Okay. Next is, third one is integer. Integers. What is integers? They are all the positive, negative and including 0 are called integers. But numbers don't we take number in fraction and decimals. The collection of positive, negative numbers including with 0 are called integer, but can't be a fraction. So all positive number 1, 2, 3, 4 positive, all negative and including 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay, dear? So it is a integer. So note down it, dear. After it, we start our exercise also, dear. Okay? So please note down it. Now, students, before start our exercise, you should know these two definitions of how to multiply and divide two numbers, two or more numbers, and how to add and subtract of the two numbers. I know everyone know. Once more time I explaining it. Okay, then we will start our exercise. I know everyone know. In 6th class we have already finished it, dear. Suppose first is how to add and subtract two or more numbers. If we want to add or subtract two numbers, so how to solve it? So look at, if always remember, if both numbers have same sign. What is? If both numbers have same sign, so what we will do? Same sign. 4 is positive, 6 is positive. Add the numbers. So 4 plus 6, 10. And put the sign of greater number. If both the number have same sign, if positive, positive, so first we will add. So 4 plus 6, 10, and put the sign greater number. What is greater? Greater is 6. So greater is 6 and 6 is positive. So 10 is also positive. Understand here? Again, minus 7, minus 3. Again we will observe that both numbers have same sign, negative, negative. If same sign, we will add 7 plus 3, 10. And put the sign of greater number. Which one is greater? 7. And 7 is negative. So answer is also negative. Understand here? Next is here. If both number have different sign. First we discussed when same sign. Now different sign. If there is a different sign, negative, positive. If there is a different sign, subtract the number. If same sign, we will add. If different sign, we will subtract. So 4 minus 4 plus 6, negative positive. Whenever different sign, we will subtract. 6 minus 4, 2, and put the sign greater number. Always, dear, put the sign of greater number in addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction. Next, different sign. Positive, negative. Yes, positive, negative, different sign. So whenever there is a different sign in addition and subtraction, we will subtract. So 4 minus 6 and put the sign. So 4 minus 6, 2, and put the sign greater. Greater is 6, so it is negative. Understand, dear? Very simple, dear. In addition and subtraction, if same sign, add and put sign greater. If different sign, subtract and put sign greater number. Always we will put the sign of greater number. If same sign, we will add, and if different sign, we will subtract. Understand, dear? Note down it. Next is here, how to multiply and divide two or more number. So look at same process we will follow here. If both numbers have same sign, both number have same sign, 4 into 2. Look at, if both number have same sign, negative, negative, yes, then multiplication and divide of number is positive. So always remember, dear, in multiplication, negative into negative becomes positive. Answer is 8. 4 into 2, positive, positive. Both are same sign, so same sign. If they are both have same sign, then multiplication and divide of number is positive. 4 into 2, it is also 8. Understand, dear? Same as it is in same sign. If both number have same sign, negative, negative, then multiplication and divide of number positive. Negative cancel negative. Negative, negative become always positive. So 4 divided by 2, so it is your answer is 2. Otherwise, understand or not? Otherwise, you can write 4 divided by 2. 4 divide by 2. What is positive? Positive. Same sign, then it is always answer positive. So it is 2. Understand? Now, if both numbers have different sign mean, dear, one positive, one negative, one negative, one positive, positive, negative, then multiplication and divide of number is become negative. What is it? Negative. So positive, negative, so answer always negative. 4 into 2, 8. So always remember, dear, in multiplication, positive multiply negative, always negative. Negative into negative, positive. Negative into negative, positive. Same as it is in division, it is answer will become negative. So it is our 2. Understand? One negative, one positive. So note down it, dear. Only basis of these two formulas we will do our exercise 1.1. So please note down it, dear. And one more thing, everyone write yourself. For example on this one, for example of when different sign, for example of this one, and for example of this one. Write yourself and send me on WhatsApp. Okay? So please note down it, dear. Now, dear, in question number 1, we have to given the temperature of different places in Celsius. Okay? Shimla, Uti, Bengaluru, Srinagar, and Lahore Spiti. And everyone know it is a number line. Right side is always positive and left side is also negative number, dear. Everyone know 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It means between 0 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first thing is observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. So we have to write the temperature of all the places, those are marked on it. Okay. So first is Shimla. So temperature of Shimla, how much it is? 5 degree Celsius. Very simple, dear. Next is temperature of Uti. So it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degree Celsius. It is meant degree Celsius. Temperature of Bengaluru 20, 21, 22 2 degree. Next is temperature of Srinagar. 0. Left side is negative dear. -1, -2 degrees Celsius. Next is temperature of Lahul Spiti. -5, -6, -7, -8 degrees Celsius. Understand? Note down it. First part. Next is dear. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place? Always remember dear, coldest mean whenever temperature is decreasing and hottest when temperature is rising. Okay, whenever temperature is rise, then it is hottest place. So it means rise mean more. So which one is Bengaluru? So positive number. So it means 22 is more than -8. So it means it is hottest place. So in B part you will write, first we will find temperature of hottest place. How much? Is 22 degree Celsius. Now we will find temperature of coldest place. Coldest mean -2 or -8? -8. Okay, always, because that side always number is decreased. -8 degrees Celsius. Now dear, what we want to find? What is temperature difference between? So write temperature difference between hottest and coldest place. What is? So we have to find difference. Difference mean dear, subtract. So hottest is how much? 22 dear. And now, so we will write equal to hottest place minus coldest place. Coldest place only. It is difference or not? So first, hottest place is 22 and bracket. Now negative bracket. What is coldest? -8. So write 2 times. Now tell me 22. And it is multiplication. Negative multiply negative is always positive. I told you no? Negative, positive into 8. So what is temperature? It is 30 degree Celsius. How much? 30 degree. Yes, it's very simple. From 0 to 2, 22 this one, and 0 to 8 this one. 22 plus 8, 30. That's fine. Understand? Always remember this one. Don't write it 22 minus 8. It is wrong there because it is negative, and what is coldest one? -8. Negative into negative, positive. Understand here? So note down now. B part also. Understand? Same as it is C part. What is temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? What is? So first we will write temperature of Srinagar. It is, so you will write, it is C part. So first we will write temperature of Srinagar, temperature of Lahul Spiti. So we have to find temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So we will write temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So difference, so it means Lahul Spiti temperature, it is Lahul minus Srinagar temperature. Understand here? So what is Lahul Spiti temperature? Everyone know. -8, negative, now in bracket. Temperature of Srinagar, -2 dear. Now -8, negative into negative, positive. And how to subtract dear? How to subtract and add two positive and negative number? Different sign. It is negative, it is positive. Understand or not? It is negative, it is positive. Negative and positive. And whenever different sign, we will subtract 8 minus 2, 6, and put the sign of greater number, minus. My 8 is greater, so minus 6 degree. What is answer? Minus 6 degree is your answer. Understand here? Note down it. Now only one question is left of this one, D part. I think you can do yourself it. You can do or not? Yes? That is temperature of the difference between the, so please D part you have to do yourself. One thing here where we did mistake, what is, always we will write first temperature, always we will write greater number. It is Lahore speed. Always greater number, because in minus 2 and minus 8, which one is greater? Minus 2. The temperature of Srinagar is greater, because right side is always increasing. So here you will write here, by mistake I write here, it is minus 8. Now it is minus 2, negative into negative, positive. So it is become again different sign. So it is 6 degree Celsius. Understand here? Same as it is. You have to do yourself. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than temperature at Simla? Can we say that temperature of Srinagar and Simla, the temperature of, so note down it please. So now we will do D part. Look at now D part. What is given? We have to find, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than Simla? So first we will find temperature of Simla and Srinagar together. Together mean how much is the total temperature of, if suppose I say you have 10 rupees and I have 2 rupees. So what is the together our money? 10 plus 2, same as it is. Temperature of Simla and Srinagar together. Simla 5 plus temperature of Srinagar, how much? Minus 2. And everyone know, in multiplication you can find 5. Positive into negative, always negative. Negative into negative, in multiplication positive. Positive into negative, negative, minus 2. And different sign, positive, negative, always subtract and put the sign greater. Greater is 5, positive, so it is. So now also we have to check, is there the together temperature of Srinagar and Simla is less than temperature of Simla? Yes. Temperature of Simla and Srinagar 3 degree and temperature of Simla is 5. So it is less or not? Yes. So we will write yes, temperature of Simla and Srinagar together is less than Simla. It is 3, it is 5. Next is, it is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. Yes, Srinagar temperature minus 2 and it is 3 degrees Celsius. So it is less or more? 3 degrees less than is greater than minus 2. So you will write no and you will write same line. Temperature of Simla and Srinagar together is not less than Srinagar. Okay? So note down it dear please. Okay? So please note down it. Now dear, question number 2. In a quiz competition, the positive marks are given for your correct answer and negative marks are given for your incorrect answer. A student Jack, his score in 5 successive round is given 25 in first round, second is minus 5. He got his minus 5 marks, which means he give the answer incorrect. Okay? Minus 10, 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? So first we will write Jack's score in 5 round is this one. And we want to find his total. So if I want to find total mean, we have to add them. Understand or not? If I say you have 10 books, your friend have 20 books. So how many total books? So 10 plus 20. Okay, same as it is. What is total? 25 plus how much? Negative. So always write in bracket whenever negative. Plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Understand? First you can add positive 25 plus 15 40 plus 10 50. Now positive into negative dear, negative, positive into negative. Now 50. Look at 50. Negative, and we are multiply, divide, addition or subtraction. We are here adding them. Okay. So same sign always. We will add 5 plus 10, 15, and put the sign greater. Which one is greater? 10. So minus 15. Now one positive, one negative. Different sign. Always subtract. So 50 minus. So it is 35. And put the sign greater. Greater is positive. So no. So his last score is 35 dear. Understand dear? So it's note down it dear. Please. So now you have to do question number 1 and 2 in your notebook. And also these are the 8 questions you have to do in your notebook. 25 plus bracket minus 40. Minus 67 minus 80. Minus 8 into minus 5. Minus 40 divided by 8, minus 10 divided by minus 5, minus 40 plus 8, minus 8, minus and again minus 4, minus 12 plus into minus 5. So you have to solve all these 8 questions also and send me. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.